Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get pets in Fish It. So now in Fish It, pets are finally available and each pet has its own ability. And some pets can increase your luck, some can improve your fishing pull speed, and others will give a different bonus that can help you during the gameplay. And to get one, just go to the new Copper Canyon area, the new island in Fish It. And after that, just head to this shop, this pet shop like this. And then basically it's a gacha system, so the pet you get depends on your luck. And to get this pet, first just buy the eggs, the founder eggs like this. You need Roblox to buy it. And then after that, and there are currently 6 different pets that are available from these eggs. And each one has different tires and abilities. Some are more, they are rare, and then epic, legendary, mythic, and even secret pets like this. The more higher tier, the more stronger effects that it has. So if you want extra boost while fishing, just getting pets can definitely help. And okay, that's it for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!